It's Ritzy Cupcake! Hey everyone, it's Ritzy Cupcake here, and today we're unboxing this. You might or might not have seen, Bodyline has been going through some changes recently, and they had a sale on. Well, I only found out about this sale through Ruffle Chat because people were saying, oh, what are you gonna get from Bodyline? And then I read the comments and everyone was like, shoes, shoes, shoes. And I'm like, shoes, yes, I need shoes. No matter what your opinion might be on Bodyline, most people can agree that their shoes are worth getting. So I went on the website, did a bit of a squiz around, and almost impulse bought this. My order came in less than a week, so very, very happy with that. I really hope that I don't have like 2 pairs of left shoes or something like that, because that happened to someone I know, and oh, I was a bit like, should I make this order? And then I'm like, yeah, probably should. Finally found some shoes in my size for once that I actually like, the colors that I wanted. Also, like when I placed the order, I then found out, I got this email from Bodyline saying free shipping, and I was like, are you kidding me? I just placed an order and now you're telling me there's free shipping? Like, what? So I went on the website and I did a whole, like, all the dresses and stuff look way more expensive than before, and I was like, I think they've marked up the prices. So then I went and I put through an order of the same stuff that I already ordered before, just to see what the total would be, and I did the conversion rates and stuff, and it was like $40 more expensive with free shipping. So I'm better off having bought it before the free shipping sale. That is just a gimmick. Let's open this. Ooh, I can feel the shoe boxes and it's like, so excited. Ooh. Oh my god. Okay. Ooh, they're 2 different boxes. Like, one is shiny and then one is matte. That's interesting. Okay. Oh, and I have something else in here as well, which I will save for later. What should we go with first? I'm so excited. I really hope they fit. Oh, I'm so bad with shoes. Like, my feet are the fussiest things ever. Okay, let's start with this one. Ooh, they're so pretty. Oh, ta-da! Oh, they're gorgeous. Wait, what size? Yep, 24.5. They're a pair, so thank God. Yeah, so I got these shoes in red. I can't remember what the code was. I'll pop it in the video later. So you've just got these nice scalloping with hearts on them. So cute. And buckle button shoes, so that's easy wear. Hop, hop, and they've got a bit of a heel, which is a decent size. It's got like a little, oh no, that's just dust for you. I thought they were white scuff marks for a second and I was like, oh, but it's all good. Yeah, I really needed red shoes because I've got a lot of clothes with red accents on them, and I was like, it'd be really cool to like just wear red shoes and just like add a pop of color to it. So ta-da! I'll try them on and show you. Let's see if they fit. And here they are on. They're so comfortable. What do you guys think? The buckles were a little bit tight to press on at first, but that might just be because they're new, so should be good with some more wear. Okay, the next pair of shoes. So the box is slightly bigger, which means that the shoes are probably bigger. At least they looked bigger in the photo, so let's see. Oh, there's like a little flyer in here. That's interesting. I've never gotten like anything like that before. Gosh, these shoes, like you can really smell the fake leather or whatever it is. The pleather? Oh, that's like strong. The other ones I couldn't smell anything. So I got this little flyer thing. Oh, and there's like a little kid dressed up as Kiki. And they're doing the cosplay thing. What, the animation? What is this? Bodyline the animation? Wait, what? Wait, what? Karafuru Sera. Colorful sailor uniform is what it says. And then something in kanji, the anime. That's difficult. That's asking too much from me. So yeah, there's that in there. Now to what we've been waiting for, the shoes. Okay. Da, 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 da. Navy. I finally have navy shoes. Oh my gosh, I have waited for navy shoes for so long. I have so much navy in my wardrobe, and I'm like, oh, I could really do with some navy shoes. Oh god, I really hope and pray these fit well, because I really want them to. So yeah, do we have the pair? Yes we do. For you. Alright, that's good. So far so good. Yeah, so that's what they look like. I've got like a ribbony thing that I'm gonna have to tie, which looks like a bit of a pain, but this was the only navy shoes in my size that was available to purchase. Everything else was sold out or just not available in my size, or they just didn't have a navy option. So this was legitimately it for me. So I've got to make it work, and hopefully it fits, and hopefully these things aren't really hard to tie, or I can figure out how to do it. Whoa, damn. What? Okay, I don't have any shoes like this. I don't really know what to do. I should have researched that, maybe. So what, I'm gonna have to like lace this all up my ankles or something. I've got like a cute bow on the top, and then the lace, and then another bow on the back, and a pretty chunky decent heel. So that's gonna give me some height, assuming it fits. I should be able to strap my feet in pretty well with this, so they should fit. Let's try it. So this is my attempt at doing these shoes up. This was way harder than I thought it would be. There must be some easier way of being able to do this. I had to like wrap it around and try and tie a bow, and trying to tie a backwards bow. I can't even really tie a frontwards bow at the best of times, so this was really trying for me, and I don't really have the patience to be able to keep pulling these up as they slide down my legs after I walk for a little bit. I actually tried to find a tutorial video on how to tie these kinds of things on YouTube. I found one that came close, and when she went to tie it, she ended up wrapping it around her ankle and then just velcroing the straps together, because they already had velcro on them, and I was like, that's cheating! I don't have velcro on my straps! So if you've seen a video that shows how to do this, or you just know how to do it and can let me know, I will be ever so grateful. Finally, I also ordered this. I was like, oh, I'm putting through an order, I may as well get something else as well. So I was like, I'll get a blouse, because you can never have too many blouses. Ooh. Ooh, it feels nice. Right. Okay. So here it is. Okay. So we've got a black blouse. Oh, it's got quite a lot going on here. So for the sleeves, what is this? Does this mean it's detachable? No. Okay. So I've got like a nice Peter Pan-ish collar, and then we've got some chunky buttons and some weird like fluffy round stuff going on the frills. So it's like little dot details on the frills there. if you can see that. And then we've got ruffles on the front and bows on the sleeves here with like thread going through and details, and then same with the bottom. And then we've got like nice princessy sleeves. Yay, princessy sleeves. I like princessy sleeves. And then on the back there is shirring. So that should mean no gaping holes on my blouse, because that is a serious problem I have with shirts and cardigans. Oh my god, don't even get me started. Yeah, it's really nice. It's got like ruffles on the bottom, so nice detailed blouse. It was like fairly cheap, just to chuck on with some skirts and under my JSKs. Yeah, pretty good. And it feels decent. It's like cotton. Feels like cotton. Yeah. That's all good. That's all for my haul. Mr. Yan is retiring, or has retired, something like that. What do you think about that? What are your thoughts on Mr. Yan retiring from Bodyline? Let me know in the comments. I think it's a good thing because he was a really creepy guy and lots of people seem to have had really bad encounters with him. So hopefully the new management is going to be much better, although from what I've seen on the website with the whole jacked up prices and the free shipping, it doesn't really seem to be going down that route. But we shall see. It's like the end of an era, really. This could have been the last Bodyline order from Mr. Yan being in charge, because in the receipt it says Mr. Yan because it's signed by him. Hope you enjoyed my unboxing video of this Bodyline haul. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.